Oh hi! Let me show you what I've got going in the garden. These are black raspberries and they're not all ready yet, but some of them are just about ready to pick. They're nice and juicy. We've already had some red currants. We had quite a good crop off one of the bushes, but there's more to come, and also the white currants that have come as well. We've got some rhubarb here. This is doing extremely well. I'm going to pick some more of this afternoon. We've got quite a few things have been trampled on, probably by cats and foxes and different things. But these are broad beans. These are coming through now. The tomato plants doing well as well. The ones that were sickly are starting to do better. This is a courgette plant. One of our neighbours gave us that, and I think also that one as well. And we've got some more here as well. And these are the carrots now. These are growing well. These are the potatoes, the wheat potatoes. They're doing really well. Dan has actually picked one already, and these are some of the beauties. So they're really nice. And then we've got some herbs. There's the thyme. I bought that quite recently and it's really taken. This oregano, that's doing really well. Beautiful lavender, it attracts the bees, and some rosemary, which needs a bit of plant food on because it's gone slightly yellow. It's otherwise in good condition, but it just needs a bit of plant food, so we'll do that today. And the blueberry plant, that seems to be doing quite well now. The other day Arthur came in with all pine needles on him. He'd been rolling around in it, he'd made a bed out of it. So while he was eating, I picked the needles out of his fur. He didn't seem to mind that much, so they might have been pricking him a little bit. This is the quince tree. We've already got a few fruits forming. I think it'll do quite well this year, but the fruit might be a little bit later than usual because spring started 2 or 3 weeks behind time. Over here, well, we've much depleted this now. We had another of our growing tables break. That needs to be mended. We've got a few goodies growing in there. It looks like mainly rocket at the moment. These are kind of past the best, so they'll be picked. And then I've been harvesting butterhead lettuce. We've got 3 left. That one's almost ready to pick. And there's some more nasturtiums in there. And well, I mean, these are radishes. This is our second lot. They've just gone bonkers. They're just crazy. And we've got peas as well forming over here. And this is the kale. Now, this seems to be doing extremely well. As you can see, some of it's really flourished. We like to pick it when it's quite young because it's tasty in salads. But it'll be nice over the next few months as well when the weather gets colder. Kale is one of those things that's popular in what they call the hungry gap after Christmas to sort of February, March time, when there's not much else that's growing. I'd also as well like to say that in the next couple of months or so we will be sowing some brassica seeds in drill, and they will overwinter and they will be ready to pick next spring, probably early spring. And lastly, Look how well our tomato plants are growing. Some tomatoes have formed. The peppers are getting there, but I'm really jealous of our neighbour who gave us some tomato plants and the courgette, because she's got all kinds of goodies growing. She showed me her garden the other day, and she's got a special birthday coming up this year, and she's still gardening and producing the most fantastic homegrown fruit and veggies. Maybe we will get there with ours, but at the moment our bell pepper is doing very little in comparison to hers, which is like that. So I'm going to end this now by the red currant plant. Look how well it's doing. They're just about ready to pick, and the jamming and cooking will begin. I hope you enjoyed our garden in July, and see you again soon. Bye.